Hi friends, I want to show you these two foot electric massagers, okay? So these are aimed to have a relaxation with your feet, or as I'm going to show you, this is the pro version. Let me show you the regular version, okay? This is just for your feet, okay? You get this mat, okay? You get a charging cable for the main unit. It charges with a USB-C port. And when you're ready, you connect it here and turn it on, okay? So that's the way you're going to use it. You put different intensities. You can feel it with your hands, even though it's aimed for your feet, okay? So you get your massage like that. Perfect. And let me show you. This is the regular version, but if you get the pro version, okay, you also get what I show you, the regular foot unit with the charging cable, but also something great, you get this accessory to connect it here, and you can put up to 4 silicone patches, okay, that you can, peeling this plastic off, you can put whatever you want to have a massage, relaxing session in your body, like your neck, your legs, your arms, your back, whatever you want massage with this system, you can get it with this accessory. So this is the Pro one. It also has a remote, so you can control it without having to bend over for your feet or whatever. So I think this Pro version is just so much better, and I like it so much. So